Alright, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we got the glorious Model O mouse. We got the matte white and matte black. We just got this today. Alright, well, I'm just gonna open this up and I guess you could just record the whole thing, yeah? Do a little unboxing. I'm actually excited for this because I waited how long? 2 weeks? Both here. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Wanna get close? So which one should I open first? What do you think? Okay, I'll give you a choice. You don't see the color, you don't know what color. So, 1 or 2?
1.
1? Okay, we're gonna see it be a black one first. So we open the box. What? Oh my god. Oh, we did it. Oh. Okay, now we're good. Yeah. Okay, get out of here. Oh, so just a little thing. Okay, Tariel, get out of here. Tariel, out of here. Okay. There's the mouse. Wow. Okay. Yeah. This is the only mouse pad I could find.
It's my mouse pad.
It's your mouse pad. Okay, but it's the only mouse pad I could find. So no game, no life mouse pad. All right. Let's see. So I wonder if this feels like the Ninja Air 58 Final mouse, because I did try that before, and I want to see how light is this? 67 grams. All right, taking it out. Right here, some candy. Let's see. All right, and some things. Alright, let's just actually look at the mouse. Let's just skip all this. Alright. Oh my gosh. Dude, the white one is so much cleaner. The white one's mine, okay?
What the heck?
I was just kidding. Oh my gosh. Look, get a close up on this. Let me do like the side view. That's so nice. Oh my. I like how this feels. Wow. Okay. Oh, they have a DPI button too. Alright, it feels pretty light. Should I plug it in or what? It feels nice. It feels nice. Oh, I like the clicks. Alright. My setup might be dirty a little bit. Let's go, but come here. Look at the lights, the lighting on this mouse. Ooh, wee. That looks nice. You keep recording that, and I'll show you. This is my old mouse. I love this mouse right here, the Zowie EC2A. It's not plugged in right now, but a side-by-side comparison. So nice, so nice. So I'm probably going to be gaming on the glorious Model O the next few days, maybe a week. See how I like it. I feel like I'm going to like it a lot because of the shape. Lighting. Okay, right here. So there's DPI setting, lighting. Glorious mode, which is this. I just full on all the colors. Go through all of them, I guess. Okay. Seamless breathing. RGB. Oh wow. Single color, it's just on red. That's like the normal default color, I guess. Tail? What's tail? Oh wow. Oh, that's cool. Rave. Oh, that's crazy. What if we like turn the lights off? Hold on. Oh my god.
It's like a police car.
Oh yeah, it does. Lighting effect, wave. Oh, I like this one. That's a lot of colors. It's nice, huh? Alright, well, that's all. Thank you for watching.